Hello, friends. Welcome to the session on artificial intelligence. In this session, we'll be discussing some more machine learning tools, and that is the reason the title is being given ML Tools 2, because already we have discussed some in our earlier session some machine learning tools. Friends, as you know, that are whenever you want to develop a small project in AI, or whenever you want to develop some intelligent application, then in that case it is not necessary that every time you should start from scratch. You can make the use of ready-made machine learning tools, and these tools are very useful, and with the help of which you can develop the intelligent applications. So in this session we will discuss some more ML tools. Friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can watch many other educational videos on the recent topics in electronics and computer science. So let us start the session and let us understand some more ML tools. Machine learning tools, as I said earlier, it is very essential tools because they can be used for development of the AI project. They can be used for training of the AI model, and they can be used for deploying the AI model. And all this can be done very efficiently. As shown in this window, there are different tools available such as TensorFlow, H2O.ai, MLflow, Spark. Then you will find that the PyTorch is there. So many tools are available, some of which already we have discussed. In this session we will discuss some more. These tools actually will provide the framework, they will provide the required libraries, they will provide the platform, and with the help of which a student can develop or create intelligent applications. And while creating these applications, it is not necessary that he should start from scratch or he should start from algorithms, because there are ready-made functions available with the help of which we can develop the intelligent applications. So as I said in our earlier session, there are different categories of ML tools. So for example, we have the first category called as frameworks and libraries. In our earlier session we have covered this. Another category is the integrated development environment, or we call them as IDE. There are certain tools for data pre-processing or data preparation and visualization. There are certain tools with the help of which you can deploy your model, AI model, and you can monitor the performance of the model. And also you will find that there are certain auto machine learning platforms available. They are very simple to use, and therefore a student can make the use of different tools as per the requirement of the project. Now let us understand in this session some integrated development environments, or IDEs. Now these environments will actually support the development and execution of ML model very efficiently. So for example, the famous model or very popular model is the Jupyter Notebook. You will find that this is an interactive computing environment, and it will support the live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text as well. So whenever you go to the visit of Jupyter Notebook website, from there you can download it and you can make the use of it. There is another application which is very popular IDE is Google Colab. This is a cloud-based platform, and it will provide the free GPU TPU support for executing the machine learning models. Another popular platform is the Python-based IDE, and that is being called as a Spider. So this Spider is also very popular, and it can be used for the development of AI application or AI project. Now, whenever you want to make some data preparation or data pre-processing and you want to visualize your data, then in that case there are certain tools available that can be used, because preparation of the data is very important aspect of machine learning. If the data is okay, then only the machine learning will perform properly, otherwise it may give incorrect output. The first tool that is being available is the Pandas. It is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. So whenever you use the Python environment, in the Python environment you can make the use of Pandas and NumPy. So NumPy is also a fundamental package for numerical computing in Python. So whenever you want to compute numerically on matrices, then in that case you can make the use of NumPy. Whenever you want to visualize your data in order to understand the patterns and distributions, then in that case you can make the use of Matplotlib and Seaborn. So these are the libraries available with the help of which you can visualize your data. The Tableau is a visualization software that will help to create the interactive and shareable dashboards. So these are very useful tools. So whenever you want to develop some AI application, or if you are serious in studying AI, then it is necessary for you to master all these data preparation and visualization tools. Whenever you want to deploy the model and whenever you want to monitor the performance of the model, then there are different tools available. So once the model is trained, ML model is trained, it is necessary that you should deploy it and you should monitor the performance. There is a tool called as TensorFlow Serving. So this is a very flexible high performance ML model serving system. As shown in this diagram, whenever you have the data, then you, with the help of the data, you can train the model and then you can save the model in the model repository. And whenever there is a model serving, then the client actually can make the use of this model. There is another tool called as AWS SageMaker. So this is a fully managed service for building, training and deploying ML models at scale. There is a Google AI platform. This is a cloud-based service for training and deploying the ML model. And there is another platform called as MLflow. This is an open source platform that is used to manage the machine learning lifecycle. It includes experimentation, deployment, and monitoring as well. So these are very useful tools. You need to master them in order to deploy your developed AI model. Maybe in another session, we will discuss in detail these tools. As far as the AutoML platforms are concerned, you will find that as the name indicates, it is automatic. So it will automate the ML processes, and it is possible that you can access them without having any expertise knowledge. Say for example, we have a Google AutoML. It will provide a suite of ML solutions with minimum expertise required. So as shown in this window, we can understand how AutoML works. So here is a data set, here it is a AutoML platform, and here you will find that the training will take place, then we will have the deploy of the model and the service will be available, and finally you can generate the prediction. H2O.ai is also a AutoML model which will simplify the ML model creation. Microsoft Azure AutoML is also very useful for machine learning model selection, tuning and deployment. So these are the automatic models and they are very useful, they are easy to use. AutoKeras is an open source AutoML library which is built on top of the Keras. So these are very useful tools available. Most of them are free, open source, and therefore one can go to their websites. There are certain books available, PDFs available. You can study them and you can start using them if you are really serious in development of some AI application. So thank you friends for viewing the session. Hopefully you have understood certain tools, machine learning tools that are useful in the creation of the intelligent application.